Hey folks, welcome back. Today I have a quick one for this Throw It on Thursday. I'm making some spicy beef and lentil soup. And I'm making it quick by making it in the Instant Pot. This is going to be so good, so comforting, a little bit spicy, and it's going to be quick. So let's make our spicy beef and lentil soup in the Instant Pot. Got some ground beef and some lentils. We're going to chop up some onion, mince some garlic. Of course, they're going to spice it up with some red pepper flakes. We have a whole bunch of different seasonings, a little bit of tomato paste, and some beef stock. Our spices include salt, black pepper, thyme, ground cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, and of course, red pepper flakes. Chop up our onion. A few cloves of garlic. Smash them down to remove the skin. It's an easy way of getting the skin off of them. And now, mince them up. Here we go. Let's rinse our lentils, get any dirt that might be on there off. Time to brown our meat. A little bit of oil. It's getting close. Next, we're going to add our onions. We'll let those soften up for a few minutes, and then we'll add our garlic. The garlic is added. Give that just a minute or so to heat all the way through and make this really nice and aromatic. Okay, now time for the tomato paste. Okay, now we'll let this cook for just a couple minutes, and then we're going to add our seasonings. And now, all these seasonings. Mix it up really good. Might be a little hard to see, but we have some deglazing to do here. So we're going to put in some of this beef stock and scrape the bottom really good to release all those flavors. Oh, that's great. Sorry about all this steam. Now we'll add in the rest of the beef broth. Time to add our lentils. Put our lid on. I'm setting my Instant Pot to high pressure cooking for 20 minutes. When those 20 minutes are up, I'm going to let it do a natural pressure release for about 10 minutes. When the timer goes off, I'll release the pressure of this Instant Pot. And then it'll be time to try our tasty, spicy beef and lentil soup. I'm going to release the pressure now. Boy, it's looking good and it is smelling amazing. I'm going to give it a little bit of a taste test, see if I need to add any salt or pepper. That's pretty good. I'm going to top it off with just a little bit of onion. I told you it was going to be quick. Some spicy beef and lentil soup in the Instant Pot. Now, truthfully, making lentil soup isn't really a long affair. It's not like you have to soak the lentils overnight. But making this in the Instant Pot, I think, made it go a little bit quicker. I can't wait anymore. Let's give this a try. Wow, this is a flavor party. And whoever invited the red pepper flakes to this party, they should have invited a little bit more. Could be just a little bit more spicy for me, but I think the temperature of it right now would appeal to a lot of people. I think the lentils are at the perfect doneness, and that ground beef adds a really nice texture to it. The little crunch of the raw onion, that's doing it. As always, I'm going to have the recipe that I used in the description. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I think you're going to like it. And with that, we are at the end of another Throw It On Thursday. Today, a nice, comforting, spicy beef and lentil soup. And you know what? If you throw it in the refrigerator and have it the next couple days, it's going to be even better. Well, folks, as always, I am having a really good day. Hope you guys are too. See you next time.